Hey you guys, and welcome back to our channel. This is Countdown to FIEROFEST.
And it's the final week, guys, and we're doing everything we can to get ready, and we have odds and ends on every single car we're working on. I mean, we don't even have complete videos for all of it, but we're gonna show it all in as much as we can now. Look, we bead blasted and repainted Rose's wipers. I'm gonna put one on right now.
The crazy frantic rush.
We don't even have time. Ugh. One less thing done. Oh shit. This product is made by Russ at FIEROinteriors.com, and these are the seatbelt pads that are custom embroidered, so check those out and get some of those if you haven't. All right, a couple things that I've done since we talked last is that I installed Rodney's deck lid strut here. In that process, I also had to make this lower bracket because the lower bracket for an 88 GT is very, very difficult to find. I installed this intake piping for the 4.9 here so that the air is not just completely hot. I fixed the oil leak and replaced the crankshaft seal on here, and I need to clean everything up, but actually the car is running great. Hey guys, so it's nighttime, and that's the best time to check out our OPT7 50/50 LED Underglow kit. This isn't the this is one of the highest reviewed Underglow kits on Amazon. I've never put an Underglow kit on a car before, but I didn't want to go with the super cheap one. And it comes with a 1-year warranty, and it's supposed to be one of the highest quality kits in the business. Everything is aluminum lined and then epoxy treated so that rocks won't damage your LED lights. So we're going to give that a shot at installing it today.
Okay guys, sorry for this ill lighting, but what we're doing here is these are the brackets that we are going to use and bolt them to the bumper and the ground effects on the car so that we can zip tie the lights to the brackets.
Done this.
So what Alex is doing here is he's under the car and he is drilling pilot holes into the bumper and ground effects so we can mount the lights there.
Now I'm going to screw the bracket into it.
You're really fumbling.
Oh. It's beautiful. It's working. Can you see what's going on? Okay, I'm going to load the zip ties into the brackets. They're designed really well for this situation. Okay, and once I'm done, I've now loaded all the zip ties. And because I thought this out, I should just be able to set it in the brackets and now take the zip ties. here's the connector. I'm gonna plug it in to its extension cable. And I should get some light. That can be cool. Oh wow. Always cut all your zip ties. Only a heathen should not cut the zip tie It's the morning of FIEROFEST. Last night, I finished fixing my water pump. Apparently, the water pump had to go bad 2 days before FIEROFEST, and it was so crazy that I didn't even have time to film it. And then yesterday, I spent all day starting Bruce's Asterix, which is a Series 3 3800 supercharged 86 GT, and it is running for the first time, and it's going to go on a trip to FIEROFEST. To be continued.